Hello everyone, I am Jairaj Singh. I am working in care prosthetic and orthotic as a clinical specialist for India and international patients. So in both the conditions of the lower and upper extremity, the hand movements are quite more complex. For last few years, people have been getting options only with opening and closing of hand. One of the most latest and reliable hand prosthetic, that is ZEUS hand from Aether Biomedical. The ZEUS hand is a multi-articulated myoelectric hand combined with ease of control and its elegant and robust design. The ZEUS hand has 36 grip patterns which are customizable according to the user's need. So I'm going to discuss you about the opposed conditions, and then I'm going to discuss you about the non-opposed conditions of the hand. Number one, the power grip. So in the power grip, your hand holding any object will come closer and will stop after holding it completely. So you can be holding a ball, you can be holding a cylindrical object, or you can be opening a door, or you are holding something which is circular or any other shape. So all the fingers come close and they hold the object till it reaches the point and then it stops. The ZEUS hand can lift up to 35 kgs of weight. So you can understand how much powerful the hand is. In case of trigger grip, you just need to hold the object with your two fingers, that is the ring and little finger, and the two fingers, that is middle and index finger, acts proportionally and can trigger the object. In this grip, the thumb moves to the middle point and stops. The index finger can be controlled proportionally to form the pinch. Middle ring and little finger remains open. This can be used in different kind of activities like picking up the small delicate objects from various activities. The next option is precision close grip. Think about how easy it will be if you can pick up a small object from the ground. So in the precision close grip, when the thumb is in opponent's or the opposed position, the thumb will come to the midpoint, and then with the proportional pressure, you can bring your index finger close to your thumb. So you can pick up small object which is on the ground or any table or at your workplace. The next option in opposed condition is tripod close grip. In this grip, you can hold a pen with the help of your prosthetic hand. So how does it work? Your two fingers, that is the ring and the little finger, get close, and these two fingers, that is the index finger and the middle finger, come close to the midpoint of the thumb. So it will work as a three-jaw chalk prehension, in which you can hold a pen to write or a pen to draw or do certain activities while holding it. The next option is tripod open grip, where you can hold any object where the middle and index finger will come close on a proportional pressure, and the thumb will come to the opposing of those two fingers to the midpoint, and the ring finger and little finger will be in open position. So you can hold any object to hold in between the three fingers. So it will be in this position. As you can see, two fingers will be open and these three fingers will be holding the object.
Explore your options with our expert guidance at Care Prosthetics and Orthotics. Visit us today